Hello children, today I show you how to draw a caterpillars. Here I draw the two caterpillars, one using with ruler and another one is freehand. Now let's start. Here I am using the 4B pencil, but if you want you can use HB pencil. First I draw a line in the middle of the page with the ruler. Now I am using a round ruler to draw the caterpillar. As you can see, I am drawing the circle of the caterpillar using these round shapes. Even though most of the shapes are the same size, I made the last one a bit smaller. After that, I drew the face and the body segments and the legs and the antennae. Now for outlining, here I am using the black marker. If you want you can use black pencil, or if you want you can use marker also. It is better to draw the outline before coloring because then the color wouldn't spread outside and get smudged. Next I erase the pencil lines using an eraser. Now it's time for coloring. First I'm using here light green color. Starting with the light colors help because later you can add the dark shades. One important thing to remember while coloring is to be very patient and color slowly. Do not rush, as rushing can ruin the neatness of coloring. After finishing the light green, I am using here darker green to add shading on the sides. If you shade like these, your caterpillar drawing will be more realistic. Then I used even darker shades to make the legs stand out more. Now I have finished coloring the caterpillar. Finally, I'm using the brown color to color the antennae. And that's it, my caterpillar drawing is complete. Next, I'm drawing here caterpillar in freehand. Here I'm not using any ruler. First I drew a head with a pencil, then below it I added another round shade. After that I kept adding more round shapes from the side. As you can see, my drawing this I'm drawing this a half circle, not a full circle, and caterpillar's body is made by joining these rounded segments one after another. Here I had drawn total 6 segments. Then I added legs. After drawing the legs, I drew the eyes, mouth and antennae. Now it's time for coloring. Oh, but I forgot that before coloring I should highlight the outline. Here I am using the sign pen, but if you want you can use any coloring pencil, especially black color. After highlighting, I draw the eyes neatly and erase the pencil marks on the scratch line disappear. Now I'm start to coloring. Here I'm using the green, again the light green, and after shading with the darker green. As before I mentioned that you need very patient while coloring. Now I am using the darker color shades added on the side and give it nice shaded effect. After finishing the body, I use brown color to color the feet. Then use the red color for the mouth and antennae, and that's it. My next caterpillar also completed. I hope you will like these two drawing. Try to practice them at the same way. Thank you. Bye bye.